Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So right now I currently just brought in laundry.
I don't like the little part right in front because I like it in there.
I recently did a gel nail polish review video where I show you guys Beetles gel polish, and then I use this little sun UV to dry them. I've been using this so much. I will link it down in the description box. I'm trying to decide what color. I did a little poll. I don't know if it's focusing, but I did that little poll. So far it seems like the last color is winning, which is like this cool like blue color. Yesterday was Cesar's birthday, so today I wanted to record because we actually have a few things planned for today to celebrate with friends, since yesterday we kind of just celebrated with my family, and then Sunday we're celebrating with Cesar's family. He is out right now with my brother and his friend, so I am going to fold laundry and then we're gonna do my nails. I'm so excited. Okay, my nails are done. I ended up picking this one right here. So this is the A511, and I will link everything down below. I will link this down below, the package that I have of the Beetles. This is how my nails turned out. It looks so cute. I'm so happy with it. Let me see if I can put my sleeve up so you can see it, but it's a sparkly pink and they're so cute. I am so proud of how long my nails have grown and the fact that they haven't broken yet. Okay, we made it to the bathroom. I am so like I'm a little, okay, not
a lot, not like so, but
I'm a little stressed. I'm just gonna start with my makeup. I'm gonna curl my hair as well. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, we are going, Cesar has no idea what we're doing, really, like he doesn't really know. I planned, and Hershey helped me a little bit because I was very stressed trying to plan everything, but we have a like good amount of friends meeting us. We have to leave, and also his cake that I ordered custom made is actually on its way here, so there's just lots going on. But I'm gonna start with my makeup and then I'm gonna do my hair. I honestly still don't know what I'm gonna wear, you guys. I don't know, I just don't know. We're going to the city, like I said, like San Francisco, and it gets so cold, so I don't want to wear a dress, to be honest. I don't think that's what I really want to do. I might, but I'm gonna see. I'm not like super sure about that. So let's do a little montage of getting ready with me. So this is what we're gonna keep. I need to do my lips and I need to change. So let's figure out what I'm gonna wear. Excuse the mess, but this is the outfit. I'm wearing a dress, my black one, my blazer, my heels. My legs are too white, I don't want to show you, but my purse, and now we're gonna go. blurry because it's dark.
Very cool cake. I like it a lot.
You want to move this over there so everyone can see?
Yeah, you can face it over
Like that?
Yes.
For the camera, there you go.
Oh, that's so cute! Happy birthday to you! Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti.
That was pretty good.
There you go. Make a wish. No, one. Yay!
I was trying to follow along, but
One more. 1, 2, 3. Do something fun this time. Do something fun. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
It's edible.
you want to
It is edible.
Edible.
It's edible.
Do you want to take them off and then cut?
No, I'm gonna do triangle. I'm listening to her. No, but then you cut in the middle and then you...
Oh my gosh, okay, just cut it.
So you want me to do it straight down?
Yeah.
It's easier. Straight
Okay.
down, Mariah?
The fact that you're holding a real camera.
Yeah, she's right.
There we go.
Listen to her.
I'm listening to her. I'm cutting the belt. Oh my god, I feel bad.
Oh, there we go.
You want to be on the vlog? Is that what you're saying? Everybody, this is Joey.
Hey, this is Joey. He's known. I'm just here for the cake. Cesar for 30 years already. 29, 28.
He's not even that old enough.
23.
Hey, this glove is coming out. I'm sorry,
Do you want
man.
to take the glove off?
Yeah, let's-
You can. Yeah, put it right here. Put it right here.
Oh, that's sick. They're actually whole.
Yeah, they are.
She died?